Okay, if you have made it this far, thank you so much. You are becoming a better developer. So let's continue. So now what we want to do, we want to get into the darker colors, which is the inverse of the white colors. But we cannot do so without first finishing the light colors for the text, because we can only see if our dark colors are working or our theme is perfect by also having the foreground text color correct. Okay, so I'm going to copy this here and I'm going to paste it here. So when it comes to text, we've got the text light primary, okay, which is going to be the darkest. We've got the text light secondary, okay, and then we've got the text light tertiary. Okay, so let's quickly check that. So according to this, it looks like to me we've got this color as the text light primary. Okay, so let's just copy this, something like this. Okay, and then we are going to sample this color. So what I'm going to do, I'm always going to, let's just go to the logo. Okay, I'm always going to sample colors from here, because you might think a color is black and all, to find out that it's not like the 100% black that you think it is. So that's why I'm always going to sample these colors from here. Okay, as you can see. So let's get here and paste this here. Okay, and let's just change the color. Okay, we are done with this one. So let's look at the text light secondary. It looks like to me, okay, we've got this and this one is the same color, but the boldness of the text is different. So let's see. Looks like to me we don't have another light color here, unless it's my eyes. Okay, unless it's my eyes. Let me just double click here to see. Is this 000? Double click. Yes, as you can see. Okay, so let's see what's going on between this one and this one. Let's just test something here. Double click, double click, double click. This is a certain color. Let's see, is this the same as this one? It's 9F, 9F, 9F. Yes, as you can see, this one and this one, it's the same. So this is the same color. So what I want to do, okay, let's just check. Don't we have another darker one? So as you can see, guys, in terms of the text, we only have one darker color in a way. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to put some sort of another shade of dark, okay, so that we can comply with this. Okay, so I'm going to take this color, this 9F, 9F, 9F. Okay, instead of making it secondary, I'm going to make it tertiary. Okay, as you can see, guys, because it's a light color. So somewhere here between this one, the light and the tertiary, I need to create another color. For instance, let me just take this one. Okay, make sure it's very close to this one. Okay, but it has to be a little bit darker. Okay, something like this. Okay, as you can see, it's not black, as you can see, but it's somewhat in between. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit visible. Okay, it's a bit visible than this one. It's a bit visible than this one, but at the same time, it's not this black. Okay, so I hope you see the difference. Okay, so we are going to make this. Okay, we are going to make this our text light secondary. Okay, so let's see how this look. We've got a text light primary, which is dark. Okay, and then we've got this one which is darker, and we've got this one which is light. Okay, and then we are done with this one as well. Okay, don't mind much about that color. Okay, let me just highlight everything and put this color. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, I don't know why this cannot change to what I want. Okay, is it me or what? Let's see. Nothing changes. Okay, guys, there's nothing important with these colors here. So we've got our background colors, which is our wall colors, and now we've got our foreground colors for the text, which is the text colors. Okay, we've got our text colors. Let's see what else do we want to have. So for now, let's stick to that. Okay, let's stick to that. In the next video, we are going to work on our dark color, okay, on our corresponding color, simply because we are done with the light colors, okay, all of them. And then now we are going to get into the dark colors. Thank you so much for making it this far. Please don't forget, if this course is interesting and also it's helping you, it's opening your eyes, please don't forget to leave a review. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.